Hey guys, this is Jax at freeautomechanic.com. Got a 2006 Chevy Silverado that we've been working on. I'm not sure if you can see down here at the bottom all the unsightly rust that happens on the corner of the cab and underneath by the rocker panels. Let me zoom in for you. So this is pretty common, happens to a lot of Chevy trucks. What we're going to do is see if we can install these guards that are supposed to snap on and cover those up. You can see the rest of the inside. The panels, everything's nice and solid. Now I've had this vehicle from birth, undercoated it myself, but this particular piece is hollow. So what happens is it rusts from the inside out, and there's not a whole lot you can do about it. So I ordered some pieces off the internet that are supposed to slide over and cover these up. Alright, this is what we ordered. I ordered this off the internet. I'll put a link to it down in the comments so you know exactly which one I ordered. There's several of them on there. Once you open up the box, got a little instruction sheet. Pretty much just says clean the surfaces of dirt, and supposed to have some alcohol wipes in there. And in the descriptions on the internet, it said that it came with 3M double-sided tape. This says 3W. Not really sure what that means, but it's just hard plastic, pre-formed. Of course, we're going to need to put the right size on there. And it says that the alcohol wipes were provided. There are none in this box. But they recommend that you peel back the tape just a couple of inches before you set it on there. And that way you've got something to grab a hold of once it's on there. Just take loose and put the pressure on the tape to hold it on. Not sure how long the tape is going to last for you to hold it on, but we'll find out. For now, I just want to set it up there and get an idea what it's going to look like. So, I'm not peeling any of the tape off just yet. I just want to set it up there and kind of get an idea of what's going on. Looks like it just kind of sets up there. Doesn't fit very tight, but it might be because of the rust is bubbled out. I might have to break some of that away. Pretty healthy gap. Looks like the tape might help cover some of that up a little, if it actually will stick. It's sticking out pretty far over here. And so far, I think it looks a little better. We'll take it back off and clean it up and see if we can't put them on there permanent. Quite a bit of rust here. They do recommend that you put some kind of rust inhibitor in there. Pretty bad. Didn't realize just how rusted it was. Somehow they think that that tape is going to stick. all this rust that's up under here, all along the edge of this. I don't see that happening. It's supposed to help cover the rust, but how do you make it stick to rust? You don't. So, might have to improvise. Again, in the instructions, it says any deviation from following the instructions will void the warranty. It says to use the alcohol swipes that were provided. But as luck would have it, none were provided, so I'm just using some alcohol and some paper towels. Try and clean the surface where it's going to be stuck. Up here is where this top piece is going to be. And the lower portion is going to be down here. So you're going to clean those surfaces pretty good. Make sure we go far enough. I'm not sure how we're supposed to clean the rust down below, but I also want to clean this area here. We'll go ahead and do that. In the instructions, it tells you to peel back the red backing to where you can grab a hold of it. Just a little bit, and give you just enough to pull it, so when you get it up on there, you can grab hold of it and pull it back. Once you get all those little tabs pulled up to where you can get to them underneath, then you want to go ahead and try and fit it up on there. Where you can still get to the tabs. Then you're going to peel each tab back. Little trouble with this one, but we got it. It's not wanting to stick on the bottom. It went in okay. You can see there's still kind of a gap where it doesn't want to adhere too well, but not too bad. overall the appearance isn't too hateful. Now down here on the bottom, I don't know if you can tell, it should be up and it doesn't stick. You can see there's quite the gap on the bottom. Pretty healthy gap, even where the tape doesn't line up exactly and it doesn't want to stick. So I got the back piece on. It doesn't look too bad, but it's starting to rain a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the rest of it. We'll get them put on there and let you see what's going on afterwards. All right, so we got it complete. We got the front and the back. The front went on a lot better than the back piece. It fit a whole lot better and secure. It stuck all the way around. It fit nice and tight right up against the back portion of it. It fit tight all the way around. Even on the bottom, stuck to every part that I tried to. Overall, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up, and I think that it'll be a nice improvement on your vehicle as well.